This is the last email you're ever going to send a potential client. Either you won't hear from them again or they will convert and become a client. I got this off of another video that I saw on YouTube, and I've made some adjustments to it for it to fit my business better, and you should do the same. But I want to talk to you about this email, and basically you're taking any lead that comes into your business, and when it feels like it's gone stale, you're going to send this email. It will either convert them into a client or you will never hear from them again. And what I do in Sprout Studio, which is my CRM that I use, my studio management system, my client relationship management system, I have it attached to a workflow, an automation workflow, and I have it set up as a template. The workflow is applied in Sprout, and I just need to click a button, and it's going to send the email and then close the lead. Either I hear back from them or I don't. And if I don't, the lead is closed and it's done. If I do hear back from them, then I can just go into Sprout and open the lead back up again and get moving forward and have them convert into becoming a client, which is ultimately what we want to do. Before I was using this email, leads would go stale. That happens. People get busy and their priorities shift. So I want to give people the chance to say, wait, don't go just yet. We've been a little busy dealing with something, but this project is still on our radar and we do want to move forward with it. Don't leave us just yet. That's what this email does. I'm going to read the email out to you, and you can use this for any genre of photography. Just send that out to your clients and let them know. The email that I use tends to go out to corporations, companies, but if you're photographing newborns with a new mother, your language is probably going to be different than the sort of business-esque language that I'm using in my email. So here's what it says. Subject, your photography project. Hi, client name. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to touch base regarding the photography project we discussed on insert the date and time of their initial inquiry. Since I haven't heard back, I'll assume your priorities may have shifted or you've decided to move in another direction. If your needs have changed, that's completely understandable. Please don't hesitate to reach out if there's any way I can support you in the future. Of course, if the project is still on your radar, I'd love to get it moving forward. Just let me know and we'll make it happen. Thanks again for considering my photography services. Looking forward to connecting again whenever the timing feels right. Warm regards, Patrick Robbins. Contact information, and that email goes out, and I may never hear from them again, or they may get back to me and say, whoa, this is still something that we want to do. Thanks, let's get the project moving. So this email is easy, it's simple, it's short, and it gets to the point, and people are often very thankful that they got the final contact email. So don't let your leads just go stale. Make sure that in your automations and your workflow, you send out this email as the last touch point with your potential clients. I hope this helps. Subscribe to the channel if you want more. If you're not already subscribed yet, you should be. Look at how helpful this was. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next video.